So, good evening, everyone. My name is Kiran Manaure, and this is my day 49 of 100 Days of Coding Challenge as well as my internship journey. So, let's move to the VS Code. So, this is the VS Code, and here is our previous data. So, in this, I just learned about what is for each. So, for each and had a function which takes a function as an argument. Huh? And this is our data. It is basically an array of objects, and this is normal array. And here our uh, problem statement is that so here is the problem statement that passing normal function as an argument. So in this for each method I passed this normal function, and what is the work of this function? Basically it prints this normal array. So I just passed this, and if I run it, the output is like this. Okay, so here's the difference between if I just console uh, like that and just comment it, and if I just normally print this, it prints whole the array. Sorry, numbers. Okay, so my mistake. And so this is the output. So it prints all the array, but it is different from this. Okay, printing this in the function and just printing outside the function is different from each other. Okay, so what is the function of this for each method? It basically, if I just passed this function on this array, so it basically iterate on this function. So here's no need to no need of any for loop and initializing and pointer which goes from zeros to the last index of the array. Okay, so this is the normal problem statement, and we can pass array function as well. So where is it? Okay. Anonymous function immediately invoke function expression. Following are the problem statements. So here is some problem statement, and I will just solve this problem while using this for loop. So print all the username only with their index number. So here's the array object. So I just have to print the what is this? Okay, username with their index. So I just want to print this name and that particular index of as per their name. So if I run it, so it gives the name and the index. So how I just do it? So here I pass two attributes in the function. One is user and other one is index. So user, what user is do? So user just print this user.name, which is the users. It basically users of I and dot name. So here is if I use for loop, I have to write users in the square bracket and then index number. So it gives the output, but in for each method there is no need for this loop statement spaces. Okay, so this is the problem statement solution. Let's move to the next. Print only the tags, all the tags. So I just have to print this tags. It's as simple as that. sorry, it's okay. So it gives us all the tag names of that particular index. Let's moving to the this is another method of doing this. If there is a function and the function has only one line of code, so there is no need to add this line of code in the curly braces. Okay, let's move to the next. Create a new array having only user's name. So what is the method is that, what is the problem statement is that, just firstly I have to create a new array, and that array has only the name of these users. So I just create it, new array, and just start from 0 to the length of this array, and one by one I just pushed this. If I run it, so this is the name of the name. I just used I'm not using the for each method. So this is the for each method solution. So there is, I just not used this for loop. I just simply pass this function for each to the user's data, and just inside this for each I just pass another function to start users.name. If users.name, I just created this array and just one by one pushed this element. So as per I told you that there is no need to use this indexing in this for each. It automatically iterates from 0 to the length of that array. So it runs, sorry, just have to comment out and just run it. So it prints in the table format. If I just log it, so it prints like this: name, user's name, and I just comment out it. I'll just comment. It has only the name. If I want to then just that, you know, there is a edge also included in this array, so just write it like that. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time.